Right now, 92% of knowledge workers risk losing critical decisions to the daily digital noise. We generate more data than ever, yet the most important information about human performance constantly slips through the cracks. This creates the intuition fallacy. Without hard evidence, leaders default to subjective opinions and gut feelings to make major career decisions. In fact, nearly 2/3 of companies still rely on these intuitive approaches to assess and select their executives. The actual daily achievements, the peer feedback, the subtle improvements in workflow, all of this gets scattered across isolated chat logs, buried in email threads, or trapped in disconnected spreadsheets. When data is fractured, talent management becomes entirely reactive. You only notice a problem when something actually breaks, like a late deliverable or a top performer unexpectedly quitting because they felt unseen. The traditional response to this is the annual performance review. But asking managers to remember a year's worth of accomplishments turns evaluation into a backward-looking administrative chore rather than a genuine tool for growth. Without a unified system capturing daily reality, career advancement devolves into a subjective guessing game. It frustrates the employees doing the work and blinds human resources to the actual talent walking their halls. Fixing this doesn't mean ripping out your existing software. Instead, a new layer called performance intelligence acts as an active AI bridge connecting those systems. This AI aggregates data from day one. It pulls in interview scores, peer reviews, and daily tasks, consolidating them into a single source of truth. Because this collection is continuous, annual reviews transform into a forward-moving timeline of an employee's exact career trajectory. By synthesizing this continuous stream of data, organizations replace scattered, subjective opinions with verified structural evidence. Once that timeline is established, the AI transitions from a passive filing cabinet into an active, analytical agent. Its first critical task is flagging. By analyzing aggregate trends across the workforce, the system proactively highlights retention risks and identifies top performers months before a manager might notice a shift in behavior. The second task is personalizing. The system takes that individual's data profile and builds a custom development plan. Instead of a generic module, these plans target verified skill gaps based on the exact work the employee is doing. The third task is predicting. The AI mathematically evaluates this progress to flag exactly which employees are ready to move to the next level. It compares verified skills against structured career ladders, providing an objective explanation of why they are ready for a promotion. By identifying patterns that the human eye often misses, these data-backed insights create an objective baseline for talent identification, making it much harder for unconscious bias to drive the final decision. This creates an immediate macro-level impact on leadership. Picture a modern promotion committee meeting. Instead of debating who deserves a raise based on vague impressions or recent wins, leaders walk into these meetings with receipts instead of vibes. The discussion shifts from opinions to hard data. Down at the individual employee level, this data-driven transparency drastically improves daily engagement and morale. Employees finally possess a verified, portable record of their growth. They have clear visibility into their next promotion path, seeing exactly which skills they've mastered and which ones they still need to develop. This visibility repairs the broken trust that plagues historically opaque performance review processes. When the rules are clear and the tracking is objective, people trust the system. AI automates the administrative guesswork, allowing HR professionals to prioritize high-level strategy and hands-on coaching. When career growth is treated as a continuous, data-driven process, organizations finally have the tools to recognize and reward human potential based on verified results.